In this video, I'll show you how to fix iOS 26 not showing up in software update on your iPhone or iPad. If you can't find the iOS 26 update under settings, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll guide you step by step on how to get iOS 26 right away. First, open Safari on your iPhone and go to beta.apple.com. Tap Sign In and log in with your Apple ID. Agree to the terms and conditions if it's your first time joining. This officially registers your Apple ID for the iOS 26 public beta. After signing in, tap on Enroll your iOS device. Follow the instructions shown on the page. Once signed, now go back to your iPhone settings. Open Settings, hit General and Software Update. Tap Beta Updates. Choose iOS 26 Public Beta. Now you should see iOS 26 Public Beta appear in Software Update. Tap Download and Install. After you've downloaded and installed iOS 26 Public Beta, your device is now enrolled. That means once Apple releases the official version of iOS 26, it will automatically appear in Software Update, and you can install the final release without removing anything.